This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Number 50, what else to do with repetitive tasks? Now, the smartest thing to do with repetitive tasks that you can't, for whatever reason, automate is the use of a checklist. A checklist is a step-by-step thing you do now alongside you doing the action or the series of actions you need to accomplish. You're able to also check it off as you're going. So it does a couple of things. It gives you that sense of accomplishment and also gives you a sense of being on point, being on task, and being able to do what you need to do as effectively and efficiently as possible. Now, in a book that I highly recommend called The Checklist Manifesto, we talk about the power of a checklist. It used to be a problem in hospitals where there were hospital-related infections due to catheters not being cleaned properly. Before they implemented the use of a checklist, it was at some 17% of hospital-related infections were due to this catheter issue. After they implemented it, it went down to 0. That's the power of a checklist. A lot of the times you might think, well, I don't need a checklist, I know how to do this, but you miss steps, you miss important things, important activities, and then you mess up the entire activity. So you could have just not done it, thrown out what the other steps that you did out the window. And let's go through an example here just to help you understand and help you solidify this concept. I'm going to show you one of my favorite checklist softwares here. It's called TickTick.com, and it also does to-do lists, and we'll also go over another software, another app for to-do lists and keeping track of projects and keeping track of other items that you need to work on, projects and so on. But it's the same idea with this software, TickTick, where you can create checklists as you work through them. You check it off step by step. I don't think at this point it's really necessary for me to go through an example because it's very simple to get started with. But it's as simple as that. Download and use this here, and then you're able to use it and benefit from it. TickTick.